So here we have the simulation. Let me start the simulation. Let me run the simulation. So the LCD turns on, and then we're going to press the start continue button for it to start. We wash water open. Then if we press the open gate, it shows us a message that tells us the door is open and the operations are paused. Okay. So if we want to go back to the wash cycle, we just need to press again the continue button. Okay, so we press it. Okay, and the door lock is the door lock indicator here in the LED tells us it's already um locked the door. So it's on the typical cycle. Washing cycle, washing motor on, and we're just going to wait for it to reach the um the spin cycle, the part of cycle which is the spin. So I can show how does the buzzer lights up. Okay, so there goes the rinsing. We have to wait a little more few seconds. Okay, so here when I press the open gate, you can see the door locked. So there's no not really any door open, and then you can see the buzzer working. So that's the way this works, the simulation. Then if we press the start continue, it starts all over again with the pre-wash water open because the spin cycle, the part of the cycle which is the spin, it's the last of the washing cycle. So we can see the typical cycle here running.